Hello everyone, this is Gadget Bunny. Samsung is keeping up the tradition and released a new remix called Over the Horizon for the upcoming event, which is just a week ahead. This tune has been around since 2011 with Galaxy S2, and this time they have taken inspiration from the nature to produce the soothing acoustic sound. The link is in the description, you can definitely check this out. From last few months, S20 was in discussion with the name of S11, and now S20 series along with a flip phone called Galaxy Z Flip, which shares the design similarities of Moto Razr, is going to launch on 11th of this month. We had official leaks for S20 and S20 Plus earlier, and now we got another confirmation for the S20 Ultra. Yes guys, we are going to get 100x zoom this time. You can see the cutout, which is rectangular to allow more light to the sensor, and probably this will not create a fisheye effect in the images. Samsung call it space zoom. Samsung always does its naming convention related to the universe or space. And this is because Samsung name itself means 3 stars, wherein Sam means 3 and Sung means stars. And you can see that everywhere, whether it is Samsung's logo or Samsung series Galaxy. We don't know yet how good S10 Ultra's camera would perform in person, but we have seen some shots from Mi Note 10 with 108 megapixel camera and P30 Pro, and they looks amazing. S20 series is going to bring a cool feature in which you can record video or click image with all different cameras at the same time, and later on you can decide which one do you want to keep. I think Samsung is going to step ahead with S20 Ultra as compared to his rivals, and I think the cost of the S20 Ultra, which is considered to be around $1300 will justify the quality Samsung is offering. Also, Samsung is going to bring up some modification in the Samsung Buds with minor improvements in sound quality and battery life, and they will also be compatible with the iOS. We have also seen Galaxy Z Flip benchmark scores, which is not that impressive if we relate it with the S20 series. But to lower the selling price of the Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung was indeed forced to reduce the cost of its component. That is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, then please like and comment on this video and do subscribe our channel. See you in the next one.